Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord N30, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. You need to start by opening Devices settings and scrolling down to access sound and vibration. Following that, you can tap on this switcher next to Vibrate on Ring to disable or enable incoming calls vibrations. You can also tap on this one next to Vibration Intensity to enable or disable haptic feedback for notifications and incoming calls. When you finished, click on this dark area and scroll down to access haptics and tones. Last but not least, select this switcher to enable or disable haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. If you decide to enable them, you can also adjust intensity by swiping left or right on this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!